Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Butter Foxhole Hollow Butt Plug. So let's get started. So this is the Butter Foxhole Hollow Butt Plug itself. Now this butt plug completely exposes the most intimate zones. Here are some useful measurements of this butt plug. The total length is 14 centimeters. The insertion depth is 13.5 centimeters. The minimum diameter is 3 centimeters and the maximum diameter is 6.1 centimeters. Now this large butt plug is hollow, so that after insertion it is possible to stimulate the anus from the inside. The application of an anal lubricant also makes this easier as well. It's made of a body-safe soft silicone, so it's very soft and smooth and will feel really comfortable during use. Has a wide base here as well, and is slightly stretchy yet firm as well. Now, as mentioned before, using an anal lubricant is easier, and when using this we can either recommend to use a water-based lubricant, or you can also use an anal lubricant which is slightly thicker and better for anal play and anal toys, or you can also use the Butter Fisting Gel, which is water-based and perfect use in combination with silicone sex toys. It's slightly thicker and perfect in combination with this toy. Make sure to clean after every use, and for this we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Butter Foxhole Hollow Butt Plug. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.